Mortske Repair. You sandwich having, dog petting, wheel-it running, son of a gunning. You had to call me out on the YouTubes, huh? All last night, all this morning, my phone's blowing up. Tried to premiere a video last night where I get an 83 F-250 running, daring it. Mortske called you out! All over my YouTube. This morning on YouTube, Mortske called you out! People hit me up on Instagram. So, if you don't know, there's like a burnout challenge going on right now. And I guess it's really not a challenge. I know my neighbor's dogs are having a bark off challenge right now. About enough of that. It's more like a end the year on a good note with a burnout. I think Zip Ties and Plys started it. I think they called out Deboss Garage. I think he may have called out Mortske Repair. And then, like I said, he straight called me out. Like at the end of his video, that was the first thing he mentioned. He was like, there's a boy from somewhere. And that's weird because usually when I say the word man, it sounds like man. It don't say boy. So he does have a little bit of an accent. But I got to do something about it. You son of a big block. So if you actually watch his video, he has some nice words for me. And he says he really likes internationals and calls me a good fabricator and said a bunch of nice stuff, so I do appreciate that. But he said he knows I have the C900 with the small block and the LS Travelall. The old Travelall, she won't be dancing this number. I'm just not ready to break it yet. I about got Mama's Yukon in here because she gives out free ass whoopings 2 for 1 on Tuesdays, so it's actually your lucky day. But man, she just whooped so much, so I decided to let her have a day off. Yeah, right. I'm not even gonna try to talk crap with that one. I can say you actually made this challenge pretty hard, because I see a lot of people, and no offense, but a lot of people are taking a beater they don't care about and just sending her to the moon till she goes boom and getting one hell of a burnout. But I don't feel like tearing up my truck or Travelall. Travelall, it is posi, 355s, new tires. It'd probably make one hell of a smoke show. Don't really want to tear it up, so I think we'll go with the old 273 one-legger pegger of the truck back here, assuming we can get it to spin on the right side. And 273s makes the overdrive worthless, about worthless as tits on a chicken. That overdrive gets used less than my dress clothes for sure. But I think we'll hop in the truck, and I ain't gonna try to blow her up, I can promise you that. So I've ran these tires on a lot of my vehicles. They're a Cornell 1000, which sounds like a cheap cigarette or something, but they no longer carry them at Pep Boys, which kind of sucks. So I really don't just want to tear up my tires either, because I like having matching tires. So let me see what I got here. I hate getting into my collection of old speed parts, but for the sake of the video, we'll do it. Since I don't want to use my Cornell 1000s, before they made that, they made these for a long time. They're the Poor Male 1000s. Not to be confused with the Oh Hell 500s they made in between the two, but luckily I still have one. Now this dealie already comes with a center cap painted on, which is cool. So it should still match the truck perfect. Huh? What do you guys think? The old Poor Male 1000 don't look too bad on there. I'd say most people, unless you have a highly trained eye like most of you viewers, probably wouldn't even notice that we have a really rare set of tires on there that we're actually about to waste. Now, like I said, I don't mind doing it for this video for you guys, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. biggest one, but I can ghost ride it. Department's definitely gonna show up. Looks a little smoky in there. Can't believe I wasted my pour mail. It's finally starting to clear out. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Not mad about it. Man, I can't believe I did all this. Y'all know I was open. My bad. So I may have not been able to do the longest burnout. I did take it till she popped. But hey, I did ghost ride it and I did get it to 3rd gear. So there's an advantage of being able to set your truck on the ground and not having to worry about strap her down. Other than finishing cleaning up and getting my wheel thrown back on the truck, I guess this is the part where I could challenge someone if I want to. And the only one I can think of, I don't know if the restored guys have been called out yet. Previously they were Turning Rust, Lance and Wyatt, but they're restored now. Check out their channel. I guess I'll call them out. Maybe they can get one of their projects going and do a burnout if they want. And other than that, I guess I'm just gonna challenge myself, and that's to grow the YouTube channel bigger, better this year. So if you want to help with that, you know what you need to do. You gotta subscribe. If you want to drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. Like the video, share. All that fun stuff y'all get tired about hearing. And Mr. Mortske, and like I said, I hope I'm saying that right. I hope you enjoyed. You can see the C900 do a burnout. I had fun. I ain't done nothing like that in a while. So thank you for calling me out. And I will see you guys next time. But as always, sitting on your ass won't finish your project. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mr. Mortske, a few things. One, I don't know if I told you yet, I am from Oklahoma. So if you ever come down this way, you are going to have to clean the shop for that mess you just made. It's kind of rude. Two, if you do come, bring a Lodestar with you. I wouldn't mind having one of those. And then 3, as good as this water was and refreshing, I believe it's time for a sandwich, if you know what I'm saying. So